Hello everybody, welcome back to Key Creations. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Keisha. For those of you that are new, thank you for stopping by and I hope you will return. So today guys, we're going to do just a fun Halloween wreath. Very simple and easy. So I picked up this witch sign here from Dollar Tree, and it says welcome my pretties. I thought that was really cute, y'all. Okay, so we're going to use her, and we're also going to use a 14-inch wreath frame. You will need some mesh. Now I'm going to use 4 different colors. I have orange, purple, black, and I also have green. So the orange, purple, and black, they all come from Dollar Tree. And this green one here comes from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree does sell this color green, so you should be able to pick some up from there if you wanted to. You don't have to use all 4 of these colors. You can use however many colors you want, or just one color. But okay, you're gonna need some ribbon. So I just have a variety of ribbon. This is all of these are Dollar Tree ribbon, and I have this one here. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna use some of that. We'll also have these little purple bows. I got these from Dollar Tree too. I have some spiders, and I also have some pipe cleaners, and I have these little orange balls here too. I don't know if I'm gonna put, I probably won't put all of this stuff on there, but I just usually like to put out a lot of stuff and then, you know, kind of go from there. But guys, you'll need your rotary cutter or your scissors to cut your mesh. So let me get everything all set up, guys, and when I come back, we'll get started on this wreath. So I'm going to start off by cutting a few pieces of mesh. And so all of our mesh, all 4 different colors, they're all going to be cut at 10 inches. Okay, I'm going to take my scissors and cut here at 10 inches, okay? And then I'll cut here at the 20 to get another 10-inch piece, okay? So that's how you would cut your mesh. All mesh is cut at 10 inches long, okay? So I also cut the ribbon too. And the ribbon here is cut at 9 inches long, okay? All of the ribbon is cut at 9 inches long, okay? So I'll just show you how I put it together. Now you can put these bundles together. We're making bundles, and you can put them together any way you want to. So the way that I'm going to do it is, what you'll do, you'll take a piece of mesh with the cut side facing up, and all you're going to do is just roll it. Don't matter how tight or how loose you roll it, just roll it up, and then you'll just put it in your hand. Now if you have a hard time holding the mesh while you're rolling, you can always get a clothespin to hold those pieces together as you roll them up, okay? So I am going to use all 4 colors together in each pipe cleaner, okay? And I'm gonna add ribbon in some of them, okay? So there you have it. So I'm gonna take one of these ribbons here, and I'm just gonna lay it right there on top, okay? And then I'm gonna take a pipe cleaner, and I cut my pipe cleaners in half, y'all. If you want to leave them whole, if they're easier to handle whole, then just leave them whole. and you can just trim them off at the end. So what I'm doing is I'm placing the pipe cleaner, like, you want to find the middle of the little bundle and just place the pipe cleaner around it. And so what I like to do is kind of fold it up like so, and then just twist. Give it a few good twists, and then you can fix your little bundle here. And the mesh is gonna fray, so just kind of trim it up as you go, or give it a good trim at the end. Guys, let me show you how I cut the V into the ribbon. So you just kind of fold it over like this, and just take your scissors and just kind of cut at an angle towards the edge there, and you'll get that V. And you do both sides, both ends, the same way. And you get that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that. So now we're gonna start placing our bundles on the wreath frame. So just really no rhyme or reason how we're gonna do it. We're just gonna start placing them on there. Now I do want to go like every other bundle. I want one that has a ribbon on it. So I'll show you guys. But we're gonna be placing our bundles over these 2 bars here in the middle, and we're gonna go all the way around the wreath frame, but we're gonna use just these 2 middle bars right here. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll take your bundle and you'll go right here, and you'll place the pipe cleaners between the 2 bars, and you'll just fasten it up, tighten it up on the back. Okay, that's all you're gonna do. Okay, and then you can kind of play around with your ribbon and or your bundle and put it like you want it. Okay, and so the next one we're gonna place on the without the ribbon. Just place it around these 2 middle bars. Turn it on the back. Just tighten it up. And then just kind of slide them down, okay? And I'm not sure how many we can get in this section, but I'll let you know how many that'll fit in the section. And so we'll take another one here, put it around the 2 center bars, turn it on the back, and then just tighten it up. Turn it around and just slide your bundle down, and then put your next bundle in. And so that's all you're going to do around the whole wreath frame. You're just going to continue to put the bundles in there until the whole wreath frame is covered up. But I'll get this one section done, let you know exactly how many bundles I put in there, and I'll show you how it looks with one section completed. I got one section completed. So I was able to get 6 bundles in the section. 6 bundles. Okay, so a section is like from this bar to this bar. It's a section, okay? And there are a total of 6 sections on this wreath frame, okay? And we're putting 6 bundles in each section. So I have all the mesh on there, all the mesh and the ribbon on there. And so this is how it looks. It's pretty full. Remember how I told you that the green mesh I got from Hobby Lobby, right? So let's say you got your mesh from Hobby Lobby. you would need just one roll for each color, okay? But if you get your mesh from Dollar Tree, you're gonna need 2 rolls for each color, per color, okay? Next thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna put our sign on. So I went ahead and I already put the pipe cleaners on the back. So all I did was take my hot glue and just glue the pipe cleaners down, and I placed a piece of ribbon over it so that it could, you know, just hold it down a bit quicker while it dries. So I went ahead and did that. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the sign on. And so what you have to do, I'm gonna put her here in the middle, and what you're gonna have to do is just kind of go through this mesh here, and then connect it onto the back there. So we got the sign on, and like I said, all you're gonna do is just take the pipe cleaners. I got a pipe cleaner attached right there. I also have the pipe cleaner. I extended these pipe cleaners here so that I could wrap them around on each side here. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is this little this hole here. I just wanted to cover it up because I didn't like the way it looks. So I'm gonna take one of these purple bows here, and I'm just gonna stick it through the hole there. Hot glue it down just to cover up that hole. Put something there. The skull came loose, so let me hot glue that back on there. Okay, and so I think the next thing I'm gonna do is just put some hot glue a couple of spiders on there, and then I'm going to be done with it. I'm not gonna put too much else on it because she's pretty busy already. So we'll just put a couple more spiders on it, and then I'm gonna trim her up real good. And after I get her all trimmed up, I'll hang her on my door so you guys can get a better look at her. But I'm gonna hot glue these spiders on here. I think I'm gonna put one here, and then I'll be done, guys. So like I said, I'll hang it up so you guys could get a better look at it. Okay guys, so here's the wreath here hanging on my door. I think she turned out pretty good, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you would please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and have a blessed day.